one. It's kind of a dreary, rainy day. I did too much yesterday and my back hurts, so I have been sitting and it's time to stop now because my back hurts from sitting. So I have a messy desk, and I did buy some items at the Dollar Tree. We're in a different location, got a window. Anyway, I picked these up at the Dollar Tree. You'll hear my fan on because we have windows open today. Anyway, these are for markers. So this desk, which you can't see, is messy. So I have two of them. So I'm gonna attempt. Yeah, maybe I should wait because it's messy. I think I need to show you guys some stuff. So I covered a journal with washi tape. So that paper clip was holding it because I glued it. So that's kind of cool, yeah. Washi tapes. I still have to trim. And I wanted to put something clear over this so it was shiny. But just a little journal. It's plain on the back side. I did put this here. That's just paper. So that's what I did with that one. It's all dry now. So paper clip don't need to be on there. So this is what I got to deal with now. And this one, more fun paper clips. I just covered in some scrapbooking paper, and both sides are done. No, it's not perfect, but we're learning. We're learning. This is why my desk never gets clean, because I find stuff to do. Anyway, so that's that. It's all dry now. I can sit over here and I'll look at it for a while. So, two projects that I did. I showed you guys these already. I'm not sure. But I bought some coin envelopes and it's dark in my room. I got two lights on. Anyway, these little envelopes, I could put some little, I've got papers. I've got stickers. I thought I'd put some little stickers inside there for my kid packs. So they get like little stickers, fun stickers in there. I got new stickers, little ducks, and those were from, I don't know, I forget, Sensi something, Etsy shop. Little stickers like that for the kids packs, which I'm still collecting things for that. Yeah. Meanwhile, there's this happening. This happens. Well, round and round with that one. Ribbons. I do have a place for these. Put them in the drawer. This will kind of be a haul too, because it's kind of a collective haul. I did buy some ribbon, stock paper, plastic. And I did buy some ribbon. It is, I don't know if you can see the color. It is black with a, it's kind of variegated color. It turns from blue to green and what other? Bright green. It's really pretty. 89 cents at Walmart. Ugh, hot back in this corner. What I plan to do with that, we'll cut the ends up at an angle. And I'm gonna do probably that much. And we're gonna cut that one the opposite way. Perhaps. So that size. There we go. There's a cabinet right next door. You guys on under my new location. So what I want to do is loop the ribbon. We're not going to put it on the part that has the two. We're going to take it, hold on to it because it's slippery. We're going to take the two loose ends and pull them through the loop. And it may be too long. I've done this with fabric, but maybe the ribbon is better. So we just kind of make a little ribbon tail. And that's what I plan to do with like the little kiddo ones or even adult bundles. So we're making bundles for my Etsy shop, gardenofpaperdelights.etsy.com. So then we didn't do that double, so it looks like that. So I've got some black somewhere. I've got a bag of notebooks here. I got black ones. So maybe I'll do a black and blue bundle. What do you think? Kind of like that. They kind of all go together. I kind of tend to match things together with the color that the book is. So anyway, there's that. So a quick little craft you got there. Easy to do. Notebooks. Sticker holders. Back to the Dollar Tree. What's in there? And got some of these. They're in school supplies. $1.25. Removable sticker. Affirmation cards for appreciating your body. You know, maybe. So they look like that. Those will be in my Etsy bundles as well. Put the ribbon aside. Down in the drawer it goes. So oh, the other day I did some paper clips like this that have like a really fun fabric on it. It's shiny on one side. And you choose fabric that's not gonna ravel so much. Those. Okay. There's a Dr. Duck. Another Dr. Duck. Maybe upside down. Oh, yep. They're cute. They're so cute. Look. These are for kids. Maybe adults. Karate duck. Sick duck. These are high quality stickers. Not from Temu. Pilot duck. Beaker duck. Yep, I know there was two on there. Cute, aren't they? Like that. No doubles. Cute. Yeah. That's cute, huh? Yeah. Here you go. That one and one more. A duck to end all ducks. Put that in here. I'm not sure what these are. We might as well look at them since we're here, huh? Oh, I ordered these before. I have these. Well, I have some that look like these. They're pretty. Like fragments of paper. Like little stampy wax things. Yeah. I must be going insane. Well, kinda. I like the corner one. I'm gonna keep that one out and maybe I'll make something with it. I like the butterflies. The heart. More butterflies. I'm gonna keep that out too. Maybe we'll do a journaling page together. Alright. Some of them are just boring. They're like that. Take it to anywhere. Nice, cute. Let me see that. Yeah, and that one. Alright. Put them back in our bag. Got all these papers we got from a bundle. Oh, so I got some more annotation tabs. They come like that. I do split them up because they are samples. So you get two tabs. 2 stacks of tabs. So, there's that came with it. Like that. Like that. Cat. Truck going through. Well, it's probably mine. I got a TikTok. I got TikTok order coming today. TikTok shop. On the FedEx truck. Anyway, stickers. I'm just gonna put them all in there. The kids' stuff. And now I made a mess of it. I'll be right back.